The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi students, welcome to our new session. So I think you all have doing well, is it? Okay, good. So today we can discuss a general topic. Okay. So you all have heard about OTT platform. So do you think what is that? So you all have know about the different platforms, OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime and Hotstar, is it? So do you think about what is the technology and how it is works? So an OTT is an acronym of over the top. That means without any satellite subscriptions or any cables, we can watch or see that particular television programs or any movies without any ads or any content. Is it? Do you agree with that? Yes. So we can subscribe to particular contents and we can watch the movies or we can download the contents. Is it? So I think you got an idea about this content. So go through it, and the nowadays and the next level we are going to use such platforms more. Okay. So let's start our session. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the new chapter. That is, we are going to discuss about new chapter. Chapter 6, Map Reading. So by the title, do you think about what is the contents we have to study in that? Yes, we are going to study about the particular softwares to learn the time zones and how we can create a virtual map. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about two softwares and its use. First one is SunClock and another one is QGIS. Today we are going to discuss about the SunClock software. Okay, so SunClock software, it helps to learn the time zones in our earth and what is the content we can see and study in that particular software. Okay, using time zones we can calculate the particular or different time zones in our world, how it is happening and what is the time difference in a particular area and the position of sun and moon. Okay, so first go to application and education in that, and in that you can see SunClock. First, after opening the window you can see that default map. Okay, and here you can see the different keys with the menu bar. After opening you have to click on that window, then only the particular toolbox will be displayed. These are the different keys we can use in that time zone map. So this is the default map. Okay, we are working with that time zone map. Here you can see that. This is the time zone map. Okay, in this only we are going to work the different activities. Okay, we'll show you that. How to display this latitude and longitude and the different degrees. Okay, and each time what is the difference, what the degrees. Okay, how we can display the meridians. Clear? How we can apply the animations with this day and night options. Okay, so first of all you have to know about the actions of the different keys in the menu bar. First one is S to display the solar time, and L here we can display the legal time, that means standard time, default timing in that. And A is we are using to forward the times, setting the times, okay. And A, B and G we are using to adjust the timing. A it is used to forward time, B is it is backward, and G it is to adjust the progressing value. We will show you in the practical session. And here it is N to display the night, and here it is Y to display the sun and moon. M it is to display meridian, and here it is Tropic of Cancer, or it is equator, like that you can display the contents. Clear? So we will show you the activities. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, by using this key you can display the contents. So we will go for that practical session. Okay, let's start our activity. So learning time zone differences using a software which help you to know the time differences and arrangement of meridian lines and everything. Okay, for that go to application, education, and here it is sun clock. Okay, so this is the default view of sun clock window. Okay, so this is the default map. By clicking on this sun clock window you will get a menu. Here you can see that. Okay, different keys it is available here. So we have the three different views in this sun clock window. So go to F and click on here. You can see the three options. Just click on the land and water. Here you can see the land and water view, and here it is time zones, the different time zone and arrangement of meridian lines, everything it is displays here. Okay, so just click on the default map, and we have to erase this night area, means just click on N, or else you can use the keys in the keyboard also. Okay, so similar alphabets. So if you want to display means again click on N. Okay, and the next one is displaying the time zone map. So if you want to display new map means click on here W or this exclamatory mark. Okay, so if it is means you will get another time zone window. Can you see that? Okay, in this below of this window you can see the details of the legal time, the current time of this particular date and time. You can see that this section is known as solar time. So today it is 16th September, so here we can see that timing. Okay, so the system time will be displayed here. Okay, and now you have to display the meridians, means just click on M. So the values will be displayed. Once you have clicked means the values will be displayed, the degrees will be displaying below. Again if you click means the degrees will be displayed above on that. Okay, so here it is based on equator, it is differentiated east and west region. Is it? This positive values is east region. Okay, by clicking each degree you can see the different timings on that, day length and timing differences. If you are clicking on this negative one means you can see the values. Okay, so the normal times and details displays, it is known as legal time. So during exam they will ask you to display sunrise and sunset time of a particular place. If I am clicking on here on India, that is Mumbai, so the details will be displayed here, and the coordinates, latitude and longitude and values displaying here. So the solar time is the normal time, and if you want to display sunset and sunrise time means click on C. So the details will be displaying here. Again if you want to display solar time means click on S. Okay, like this you can display the details. So these are very easy activity, during exam you can do very easily. Okay, and the next is to displaying the equator lines. So just click on T. So he can see the lines here. And next is to display is the sun and moon. Here it is sun. I think okay, by clicking Y you can display the sun and moon. So just backward the time by clicking B, so you can see correctly. In the green color you can see that sun and moon. So just like this, adjusting the time, you can use this A and B. Can you see that? Yes. So this is that, what is the position, like this you can display the content. Okay, to draw and erase the sun and moon, just click on Y. The particular latitude and longitudinal position will be displayed with that. Okay. So like this you can adjust the timing also. If you want to move this value through this animation means it is available. So just click on O, and by pressing this single quotes option you can start the animation. So it will be moving with the progress value 1 minute. If you want to increase the time means just click on G. The timing will be increased by 1 hour. Okay. Again, if you want to stop means click on the same key in that single quote. Clear? So like this you can adjust the values. Okay. So these are the main activities you have to work out with this software. Okay students. So I think you have understood the content. If you have any doubt, please contact me. So we'll see you on the next class. So is it interesting contents? Yes. So I think you have understood the topics. Okay. So we'll see you in the next class.